आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं हमारा डेली करंट अफेयर जो कि 6 जनवरी का है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारा डेली करंट अफेयर्स। पहले डिस्कस करेंगे क्विक पॉइंट्स ऑफ द डे से। पहला क्वेश्चन, रिसेंटली बाइडेन स्टॉप्स व्हिच मिलिट्री डील बिटवीन इंडिया एंड रशिया बाय यूजिंग काटस्टा। इसका आंसर मिलिट्री हेलीकॉप्टर डील है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, recently which country to build a mega 5 lakh square feet mall in Jammu Kashmir? इसका आंसर UAE। नेक्स्ट, recently which country promises not to start a nuclear war? इसका आंसर all nuclear armed countries। नेक्स्ट, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे जो आज का है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ द डे। पहला है 6 जनवरी में World Day of War Orphan. On 6th January every year, World Day of War Orphans is celebrated to create awareness about the plight of war orphans and to address the traumatic conditions faced by them. The World Day of War Orphans was initiated by the French organizations. तो ये जो इनिशिएट हुआ था ये फ्रेंच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के द्वारा इनिशिएट हुआ था। SOS Infants in Distress. UNICEF estimated that there are nearly 9 lakh children. UNICEF ने कितना बोला है? 9 lakhs, 9 लाख चिल्ड्रेन इन नॉर्थ ईस्ट। तो नॉर्थ ईस्ट में सिर्फ 9 लाख चिल्ड्रेन हैं। All of whom have been seriously affected by the war either through a lack of education, food, shelter or a direct injury. नेक्स्ट, अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे हमारा डेली करंट अफेयर से। पहला क्वेश्चन, हु हैज़ बिकम द फर्स्ट इंडियन ओरिजिन वुमन टू कंप्लीट ए सोलो ट्रैक टू द साउथ पोल? इसका आंसर हरप्रीत चांदी। नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हिच स्टेट हैज़ बिकम अ फर्स्ट 100% LPG enabled स्टेट? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन सी, हिमाचल प्रदेश। नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, आर्मी, ये एमई हो गया, इसको आर्मी होगा। आर्मी बोरेन स्मिथ हैज़ बिकम द फर्स्ट वुमन टू लीड अ न्यूक्लियर कैरियर इन व्हिच कंट्री? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन सी, US। नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, who has unveiled statue of Dr. Ambedkar at महात्मा गांधी इंटरनेशनल हिंदी यूनिवर्सिटी? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन डी, वेंकैया नायडू। अब हम नेक्स्ट डिस्कस करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, हु हैज़ टेकन ओवर G7 प्रेसिडेंसी? कौन सा G7 प्रेसिडेंसी टू होस्ट दिस ईयर समिट इन 2022? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन सी, जर्मनी। नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, मल्टीनेशनल नेवल एक्सरसाइज मिलन। तो मल्टीनेशनल नेवल एक्सरसाइज का नाम क्या है? मिलन इज गोइंग टू होल्ड एट व्हिच प्लेस फ्रॉम February 25, 2022? कब से? February 25, 2022। इसका आंसर ऑप्शन ए, विशाखापट्टनम। नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, हु हैज़ लेड द फाउंडेशन स्टोन ऑफ इंटरनेशनल योगा एकेडमी इन हैदराबाद? इसका आंसर सर्बानंद सोनोवाल, ऑप्शन सी। नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ नेशनल मिशन फॉर क्लीन गंगा? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन बी, जी अशोक खन्ना। नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, हु इज द ओनली वुमन असाइंड इन 31st मेंबर? कौन से मेंबर? 31st मेंबर पैनल टू एग्जामिन बिल ऑन लीगल मैरिज एज? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन डी सुष्मिता देव. Next, question number 10. Which bank has made free IMPS online transaction up to rupees 5 lakh? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन बी SBI. Next, question number 11. Which state government has collaborated with the Indian School of Business ISB का full form Indian School of Business to develop forest economy? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन बी तमिलनाडु. Next, question number 12. Who has inaugurated the new integrated terminal building at Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन ए नरेंद्र मोदी. Next, question number 13. Which organization has cancelled authorization certificate of two payment system operations? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन सी RBI. Next, question number 14. Who has resigned from the head of Elon Musk led Starlink's इंडिया ऑपरेशन? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन बी संजय भार्गव. तो स्टारलिंक के हेड इलन मस्क है, ये इलन मस्क और ये संजय भार्गव. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. S.H. Sharma died at the age of 100. He belonged to which category? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन सी नाभाल एक्सरसाइज इंडियन नेवी. नेक्स्ट, न्यूज़ ऑफ द डे से शुरू करते हैं. V.S. पथानिया टेक्स ओवर कोस्ट गार्ड डायरेक्टर जनरल. V.S. Pathania took over as 24th Director General DG of the Indian Coast Guard from Krishnaswamy Natarajan, who retired from service. Pathania, who hails from Himachal Pradesh, is the first chopper pilot from the force to get commanded of the Coast Guard. Next, V.S. Pathania replaced K. Natarajan, who served as the chief of the IG from July 1, 2019 to December 21, 2021. He has served the organization in various assignments over the past 3.5 decades. Next, he held the charge of Deputy Director of General Policy and Plans at ICG headquarters in New Delhi. His predecessor, Krishnaswamy Natarajan, will reportedly serve a tenure as an elected executive director of the Singapore-based Information Sharing Center for the Regional Cooperation Agreement on Combating Piracy and Armed Robbery. Against ships in Asia. Next news. France takes over EU presidency. France has recently taken over the rotating presidency of the Council of the European Union for how many months? 6 months. Next, who will continue to preside over the European Union until June 30, 2022. Next, France will not work to put continent's decision in climate protection at the forefront. His agenda for a sovereign Europe will be accelerated with the French presidency. Europe must be rise to the major economic, educational, migration and military changes. क्या? Major economic, education, migration and military changes. Next, France EU presidency comes at beneficial times for him politically, as it is a chance for him to showcase France as a European power. Next news. Next news, PM Narendra Modi to visit Puducherry. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the 25th National Youth Festival in the Union Territory of Puducherry on January 12 at the Pondicherry Central University campus, where Pondicherry Central University campus. Next, the Union Minister will overview the preparation and logistics of the festival also. Whole Union Minister. Next, 1 minute. Around 7,000 youth from across the country and 500 youth from Puducherry aged between 18 and 22 are expected to participate in the 5-day youth festival to held from January 12 to January 16. Next, Prime Minister will virtually inaugurate the National Youth Festival in the toll room of the MSME Center at Puducherry Technological University campus, where Puducherry National Campus. Next, ONGC gets first woman CMD. Right. ONGC Director H.R. Alkamital has been given the additional charge of Chairman and Managing Director of ONGC. This makes her first woman to head the energy major. Mithal took over as Director HR of Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. तो ONGC का फुल फॉर्म Oil and Natural Gas Corporation in December 2018. The first woman to hold the post for a full-time director on the board of ONGC. ONGC has not appointed a full-time CMD since retirement of Shashi Shankar in March last year. The Public Enterprises Selection Board held just to June interviewed 9 candidates, including 2 serving IS officers, for the top post, but didn't select anyone appointing. Instead, to announce that it would set up a search committee to find a new CMD for ONGC. तो ONGC का फुल फॉर्म मैंने आपको क्या बताया, ऑयल एंड नेचुरल गैस कॉरपोरेशन. अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे नेक्स्ट न्यूज. US reports more than 1 million COVID-19. The United States reported more than 1 million new COVID-19 cases after long New Year's weekend. There were 1,80,211 new cases in the country, a global record, although new cases reported on a day usually higher than other days because of delays in weekend telling, especially such a 3-day holiday weekend. Next, rate of death and hospitalization in the US have been lower in recent weeks than during previous COVID surges, with 9,382 With 9,382 deaths over the past 7 days, the nation's death toll has fallen by 10% week on week. The US record during previous wave was 258,000 cases per day for the week of January 5 to 11, 2021. Next, Sri Lanka cabinet clears Tricomly oil tank farm deal. The Sri Lanka cabinet cleared the Tricomly oil tank farm deal with India for modernizing the pre-World War II oil storage facility, finally paving the way for implementing an agreement penciled into the India-Sri Lanka Accord of 1987. Next, as per the cabinet decision announced in Colombo, a new company, the Trinco Petroleum Terminal Private Limited, will be set up to develop 61 of the 99 tanks in the 850-acre complex in Tricompli is the closest port to Chennai. तो त्रिकोमनाली ये जो क्लोजेस्ट पोर्ट है चेन्नई का वो है करेंगे इधर। तो ट्रिंको पेट्रोलियम टर्मिनल प्राइवेट लिमिटेड एक नया कंपनी कोलंबो के द्वारा अनाउंस किया गया है। द एग्रीमेंट टू जॉइंटली डेवलप द ऑयल टैंक फार्म कुड नॉट इम्प्लीमेंटेड सिंस द accord was signed in 1987, partly because of the prolonged strife in Sri Lanka and Colombo's changing equations with New Delhi. With every New Year government is the island nation. Next news जो कोरोना के ऊपर न्यू कोविड-19 वेरिएंट IHU discovered in France. Scientists have been detected a relatively new strain called IHU variant or B.1.640.2. It was the first detected in साउदर्न फ्रांस। तो ये पहले कहाँ पाया गया? साउदर्न फ्रांस में पाया गया लास्ट 1 month, but now has begun catching the attention of global experts. Detected by researchers at the Marseille-based Mediterranean Infection University Hospital IHU, the variant has 46 mutations. This is leading to the fear that IHU could be more resistant than existing vaccines. At least 12 people were found infected with IHU in the Marseille. तो 12 पर्सन्स को ये इसने इफेक्ट किया है एरिया एंड रिपोर्ट्स has some of them have been hospitalized with the illness. The cases have been linked to the travel to the African country Cameroon. Their tests showed the strain of SARS-CoV-2 carried the N501Y mutation. This researchers found that it also carries the E482K mutation, which could mean the variant with more resistance to vaccines. Next, IMF delays release of World Economic Outbreak. The International Monetary Fund will release its World Economic Outlook on January 25. तो ये कब करेगा? January 25 को. A week later than plan to factor in the latest COVID-19 developments. Next, in October, the IMF had forecast global economic growth of 5.9% in 2021 and 4.9% this year, while underscoring the uncertainty posed by the new coronavirus variants. Next, economists expect the IMF to cut its economic forecast for the US, United States, the world's largest economy. Next, in October, it has already slashed its forecast for US gross domestic product growth GDP in 2021. Kab? 2021 October by a full percentage to 6%, hitting supply chain disruption and labor crunch while forecasting growth of 5.2% in 2022. Next, social worker Padma Shri Avade Sindhutala Sapkal dies in Pune. Sapkal, who received the Padma Shri last year, passed at age of 73. तो इन्होंने पद्मा श्री एज ऑफ 73 में पाया. तो ये कौन थे? एक सोशल वर्कर. Growing up in the extreme poverty and enduring immense hardship during early years, Sapkal is known for numerous institutes she has set up for orphan children. Born on 14 November 1948, कब born हुए? 14 November 1948 in the Wardha district of Maharashtra. कहाँ? Wardha district in Maharashtra. Sapkal was forced to drop out of school after she has passed fourth standard के बाद. At a young age of 12, she has married to 32-year-old man. After she gave birth to 3 children, her husband left her while she was pregnant. In addition to Padma Award, Sapkal has received more than 750 awards, तो 750 से भी ज़्यादा awards and honors in her lifetime. She has used the award money to further build shelter for orphans. Next, RBI release framework. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) released a framework for small value offline transaction in digital mode. Offline payments may be made using any channel or instruments like cards. The upper limit per transaction has been fixed ₹200, while the overall transaction through a particular channel has been ₹2,000 at any point in time. Wallet or mobile devices, but they shall be made in proximity or in the face-to-face mode only, the framework prescribed. The proof of concept included chip-based card transactions as piloted by Visa or Near Field Communication (NFC). NFC का full form Near Field Communication or sound waves based technology as tried by Tonek, CityCash, Paise and others. Next, PM Modi to visit Punjab's Firozpur. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is visiting Firozpur in Punjab to lay foundation stones of multiple development projects worth more than rupees 42,750 crore. 42,750 crore. Then 669 km long Delhi to Amritsar Katara Express will be developed at total cost of about 39,500 crore, about 40,000 crore. It will be have travel time from Delhi to Amritsar and Delhi to Katra. The 4 laning of the Amritsar Ona section will be done at the cost of around 1,700 crore. The 77-kilometer long section is part of the larger Amritsar to Bhota corridor and 77-kilometer long from Delhi to Amritsar, Delhi to Katra. Next, the project will prove especially beneficial for the people of Harispur in Punjab and ऊना इन हिमाचल प्रदेश. तो ऊना हिमाचल प्रदेश के लिए और हसीरापुर पंजाब के लिए. नेक्स्ट, 2 मेडिकल कॉलेजेस एट कपराफुदा एंड हसीरापुर विल बी डेवलप्ड. तो कहाँ होगा? कपूरथला और हसीरापुर में. डेवलप्ड एट अ कॉस्ट ऑफ around 325 crore each. will be capacity of about 100 seats. तो एक कॉलेज में, एक मेडिकल कॉलेज में 325 करोड़ खर्च होगा और इधर भी 325 करोड़ खर्च होगा. नेक्स्ट हम डिस्कस करेंगे अभी वर्ल्ड अफेयर. पीएम मोदी गॉट स्टक इन पंजाब फ्लाईओवर. तो पीएम मोदी कल जा रहे थे तो उनका गाड़ी को रोक दिया गया था, यह देख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, आई लुक फॉरवर्ड, ये पीएम मोदी ने ट्वीट किया है. आई लुक फॉरवर्ड टू बीइंग अमंग माय सिस्टर्स एंड ब्रदर इन पंजाब टुडे. तो ये पंजाब में थे. एट अ प्रोग्राम इन फिरोजपुर द फाउंडेशन स्टोन. तो कहाँ? फिरोजपुर में. द फाउंडेशन स्टोन ऑफ डेवलपमेंट वर्क्स worth rupees 42,750 crore would be laid, which will improve the quality of life for the people. तो इनको जहाँ रोका गया था उधर से पाकिस्तान, इधर अगर पाकिस्तान है तो उनको पाकिस्तान बॉर्डर से 10 किलोमीटर दूरी में रोक दिया गया था. पाकिस्तान उधर से 10 किलोमीटर दूरी में है. नेक्स्ट, यूएई इज गोइंग टू FATF ग्रे लिस्ट. तो ये FATF ग्रे लिस्ट होता क्या है? एफ का फुल फॉर्म फाइनेंशियल एक्शन टास्क ऑफिस. देखिए, हाँ, एफ का फाइनेंशियल, ए का एक्शन, टी का टास्क, एफ का फोर्स. तो जहाँ भी ब्लैक मनी को वाइट मनी किया जाता है जिस कंट्री में, उधर ये सब आता है. तो इंडिया शायद मदद करेगा इस यूएई को बचाने में FATF के ग्रे लिस्ट से. तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही. आपके लिए एक क्वेश्चन था, हु इज कॉल्ड द फादर ऑफ इंडियन सिनेमा. ये आप कमेंट में लिख दीजिएगा. इसका आंसर मैं आपको कल बताऊंगा. सो थैंक यू. प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल.